Okay guys, so in this video I will be sharing my 4 best tips to boost your eBay profits. If you don't know who I am, my name is Alexander. I make full-time income dropshipping on eBay UK, and here I will be sharing my best tips, tricks, and help you to be more successful on eBay. Make sure you don't miss out any of my new upcoming videos and hit the subscribe button below. Okay, so let's get straight to it. Okay, so tip number 1. So of course this is cashback. You have to use cashback, no doubt about it. You have the website called topcashback.co.uk, gives you a great deals and a good cashback on third-party suppliers. So of course you want to use third-party suppliers, not only Amazon, to boost your profit. And this way also you can use top cashback to boost your profits. And I mean that I sell around 30k per month, and for now I'm receiving from 100 to 150 pounds in cashback. That this is a great way to boost your profit and be much more competitive at eBay platform, because it is competitive. Okay guys, so tip number 2. This is a tip that this is more for advanced sellers, not for beginners, because this is about the quantity of your items. You want to have more than one. Okay, I see a lot of sellers using the technique that they have only one, and they will have like the eBay saying only last one, so it will create like kind of impulse purchase from the buyer. But believe me, if you have a high selling limits, you want to have more than one in your quantity. And I'm talking about when you are working with third-party suppliers and not Amazon, because Amazon also does not charge you shipping. But third-party suppliers, almost all of them charge you shipping, but you include this the shipping when you're repricing your item. Okay, when you mark up your item, you already include the shipping. Okay, and you give the buyers a free shipping on eBay. But the thing is, if you purchase someone purchase from you more than one, let's say for example 3 items, you only pay once for shipping to your supplier, and for the 2 remaining, you are gaining this profit to your pocket. Okay, and I know that this sounds like not so huge, but believe me, when you will have a lot of orders per day and per month, it really adds up and really boosts your profit per sale. Okay, so remember that, guys. Okay, so tip number 3 is GSP, Global Shipping Program of eBay. You must use it. Okay, if you don't know what it is, so basically eBay has a facility that let's say I sell on United Kingdom, so they have a facility in the United Kingdom. In eBay.com they have, I think, a facility in Kentucky. So the thing is, they give you so big reach to buyers that are international buyers that want to purchase from you. Okay, so this way they can purchase from you, but you don't need to ship out the item to their country. Okay, you ship your item to eBay's facility, okay, of the GSP, and they take care of the rest. Also, you don't need I got a lot of questions if you need to like reprice your items for international sellers, or charge some shippings or export fees. No, eBay does that for you. Okay, you must enter to the global shipping program of eBay. And the good thing is, so in the United Kingdom you have all Europe around you. Okay, like this is a huge potential to make a lot of sales. I get a lot of sales from international sellers, like at least 3 to 4 purchases per day from international sellers. And believe me, the biggest profit it is with international sellers, because they love to purchase the expensive stuff, the high-end stuff. Okay, so remember, GSP, you must use it. Okay, tip number 4. So my last and least tip is try to add new suppliers that no monitor has those suppliers, okay? That no repricing tool has the supplier. And this is crucial because when you have this kind of supplier that no monitor can reprice this supplier and their items, this means that basically you have items that only you sell, okay? No one can undercut you or something like that because they don't have the repricing tool for that, okay? Try to find out about new suppliers. Try to add new suppliers that are not monitored, and try to reach out to some suppliers and trying to build a relationship, because if you will do that, the profits are insane, okay? And all of us want to make more profit per sale, and not always making 10 to 15% profit. And I started something like that with very high margins, and this is working very interesting to me for now. But you always want to think outside the box, because you don't want to do exactly what everyone is doing, okay? You always need to test new things, and in this case I suggest you try to reach out to new suppliers and try to build a relationship with supplier that only you will use, okay? This way you will be unique, and your items, when they will start sell, they will keep selling, because no one will undercut you and no one can use the supplier and no one has this item, okay? So keep that in mind, it's very important, and believe me, you will thank me later. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below if you are using one of those tips that I gave, okay? This is very important. So leave this in the comments below. And if you are interested in more content about eBay dropshipping and know how to make a full-time income working from your home, please consider to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. So yeah, basically that's it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Cheers.